welcome back. It's time for another holiday product review video. Today I am introducing to you guys our super cute mini blending sponge set. There are 4 mini blending sponges in here. Isn't this the cutest thing? It's designed like a little Christmas tree ornament, and wouldn't it be fun to go hide this somewhere on your Christmas tree, and when the time is right, tell your giftee they have to go find it. I think it's so cute. So there are 4 in here. There are 2 colors. There is a pale purple and a pale orange. It's kind of hard to see in there. And there's also 2 shapes. So let me grab them really quick. The purple ones are the traditional teardrop shape, like here. And then the orange ones have a flat bottom on them. So between those 2 shapes, they give you some versatility in how you blend out the products. And then also, because they're mini, they are perfect for helping get into those hard to reach areas of your face, like the nooks and crannies around your nose and in your eye area. So super cute. They are, I'm obsessed with how cute they are. Just everything about them. They're so soft and squishy, like little marshmallows. So you get 4 of these, and they come in this super cute little case, if you can call it that. Little decorative thing, and they are perfect for daily use at home or travel size, or keep them in your purse, wherever. They'll fit practically anywhere. And you get 4, so you've got lots of options on how to use them.